On a sunlit block, a street performer hides a peculiar sound in a small box and invites passersby to guess what it is. A ticking stopwatch heightens suspense as strangers lean in, ears open, and nerves swing between hesitation and laughter. Guesses range from a whirling fan to a hollow drum, while a few listeners catch the real note and nod. When the correct answer lands, the crowd erupts in cheerful applause and the performer gently uncaps the mystery. These brief reactions turn a street moment into a shared story of curiosity and joy.